Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Andy. Welcome to join the webinar of Network Optics with Ekoios, the AI company partner integrated with Network Optics recently. To join the webinar today, we have Network Optics team and the Ekoios team. I would like to introduce Andy Wen, AK channel manager. Hi, Andy. We have Jason, the BDM.
Hello, Annie. Hello, everyone.
From Indonesia.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Annie.
Hi, Hartono. And Andy, I'm from Vietnam, and I'm in charge of Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia markets. About Ekoios team, welcome Miss Charlie, the global head of global accounts.
Hello, everyone. Thanks, Annie, for introducing. Nice to meet you guys.
Mr.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tu Nguyen from Ekoios.
So let's get started for today's webinar. Today's webinar, we have 4 parts. The first part is a short introduction about NS, Network Optics and NS business. Maybe a lot of you guys here is a big fan of NS. You know really detail and deeply about the NS, but in case we have some new attendees, so I will have a brief about Network Optics and NS business. And the second part, we will have the short introduction about Ekoios. And the third part, we have the demo for in eTheia. And the last part will be the Q&A. So during the presentation, if we have any question, just type to the question box, and after the presentation, we will answer one by one. Okay, so let's get started. I hope you can see my screen right now. Change to Network Optics, right? Okay. Here is a short introduction about Network Optics history. The company founded in 2010 in Los Angeles, USA, with the CEO Nathan Brewer. We had the CTO Sergey and the CFO Richard. Here are some milestones of our company. In 2016, we was on the top 7 fastest growing software company on the top INC 5000. And in 2020, 21, and 22, we are in the top 5 VMS, the most favorite VMS in the world, according to the vote from the famous and well-trusted from the IT surveillance industry. And why Network Optics have the VMS and this witness become that famous, and a lot of people in SI user love our VMS that much, because we always follow 3 main core philosophies. The first one is instantly usable, because we aim for the end user. End user will be the one mainly operate the surveillance system, so we don't require them to have a lot of technical background to operate the whole system with 1,000 or like 10,000 cameras. So our software is really lightweight, easy to install, easy to configure, and painless to maintain. And the second philosophy is we aim for the SI, because when the SI make the design of the surveillance system, if you choose the VMS, if you choose NS witness, the front-end camera, you can choose whatever camera brands, because we support 99% of the camera. And the backend for the recording server, you can choose whatever server with the really lightweight specification, because our software can support Windows, Ubuntu Linux, Raspberry Pi, Debian, so no matter what operating system the server running on, we also can support. And the most important is the server can synchronize together and merge into one system, and all the information about the configuration, user list, and the resources can be synchronized into one system. And also with different OS can communicate with each other. And the third philosophy is we really friendly to the developer, for the most AI developer, because Network Optics, we don't have our own team for the AI, because you know AI right now is really fast moving, and we would like to cooperate with the AI partner rather than we develop AI ourselves. So we become the best friend of the AI partners. That's why we can be the open platforms, and all AI partners can integrate with us, and we together provide the whole solution for the customer. Yeah. So besides, this is the three cloud philosophy make Optix become really famous and become the most favorite VMS in the world. And here I would like to share a little bit about our structure. It's four layers. The first layer is about the front-end device and stream. We support 99% of IP camera and some IP devices like speaker or asset control. Yeah. And the server part, we have really special server high architecture. Later I will explain more. And about the client, we have web client, desktop client, and mobile apps. You can go to the iOS or Android App Store. You can check MS mobile app. Right now we have 4.5 stars over 5. Yeah, it's really high score the customer user give to us. Yeah, so we're really proud of that. In the cloud layer, we have NS Cloud for connection. And if you want to extend your storage to cloud storage, you can integrate with the NS Cloud API. Yeah, so right now our customer require for non-server system, right? So we can choose this type of cloud integration to put the storage into cloud. And here is hello.
I hear your voice a little bit blurred. Maybe your noise cancelling working. So can you speak loudly something?
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, let me closer. Yeah, here we have the NS have architecture structure like this. For example, no matter what's OS the server running on, for example, Ubuntu Linux, Windows, or some OS for ARM device, yeah, we can connect all the server together and become the Hive architecture like this. So you can log into one server and see the all resources for the whole system. And most importantly, when one server fell, for example, like the hardware fell or lost the connection, and all the camera of this server will be automatically transferred to the running servers. Yeah. No matter what system the server running on, they all can communicate and synchronize information together. Yeah, so that's why you don't need to prepare the standby server for the failover. Yeah, some projects they require HA high availability. So this failover feature from NS really useful and yeah, really fast. Yeah, you can easy to deploy. Just turn on the failover. Yeah, no need to configure really complicated. Okay, so here are some features for on the client. I can show you guys here. This is the fish eye developing. As you may know, for other VMS, we have fish eye developing on client on the remote only. Yeah. But with an you can have the developing even for the offline video and image. For example, actually here is the offline video. I export from the fisheye camera. Yeah, but I can go to the file setting, turn on the developing, and we can choose the calibration a little bit to here to fit the field of view, the fisheye. Okay, so here the developing of 90 degrees. Yeah, really smooth and really fast. And you click on 180, it will have wider view like this. And 360, it will have like this. Yeah. And our fisheye developing algorithm is really fast and take really less 2 or 3% of the CPU and RAM usage. Yeah, you can direct 30 or 40 fisheye camera here, and you see the CPU and RAM usage just increase at 2 or 3%. Yeah. And based on the fisheye developing, we also I want to introduce the fisheye digital tool. For example, I developing the fisheye to 180, and I set some point, some position, like for example, here the position 1. Yeah, I set this position, and I want to make the tool with 3 positions. here the position 2. Yeah, and another position is 3. And I want to see the fish eye automatically have the digital tour on the live view. So I add all 3 positions into the tour. You can set the staying time and the speed. Yeah, for example, I set the staying time 1 second here at the position 1, 2 seconds at the position 2, and 5 seconds for position 3, and apply. Okay, and just start a tour. So it's really easy. The camera isn't moving. Yeah, only the tool on the live view mode. So this application can apply for furthermore, because traditional way you will use the PTZ camera to do this patrolling, right? But if you keep patrolling like this for whole month or whole year, the camera easy to be broken. But if you use the high resolution fisheye camera to make the tour like this, it's really convenient, and the camera will not be broken that easy. Yeah, because all the tour we process on the software. Yeah, so that application can use for some small store chain, like 1 camera fisheye for the whole store. Yeah, so can control the whole store like this, really convenient. And one of the strongest feature of network Optix is the motion search. Yeah, for example, here's the fisheye camera in our Taipei office. I turn on the motion search here, and you can see at the timeline a lot of red stripe appear. That is the motion event. Yeah, I can zoom in the timeline to see more event, and I search by calendar. Yeah, all the red day it will have the motion event, and some hours it doesn't have the red color, so it means doesn't have any motion event. Yeah, and I remember the event I want to check is around 2 p.m. So I can zoom in the timeline to see more event here, and even I can draw the ROI in the rectangle here. So all the event will filter out. Only 3 events left related to this area. Yeah, so I can remember. I put my cell phone here. I want to check who took it away. Yeah, so it automatically jump into the second event, and I see this guy take away my cell phone. Yeah, so I can bookmark that event and save that into the storage to more further investigation. So this feature is really fast and convenient for the end user. Yeah, why we can do this fast? Like the whole archive for the whole 1 year can appear in 1 second. Because we always take 2 streams, 1 stream, mainstream and substream, and all the events we mark on the substream. So whenever you click on the icon here, all the events will appear in just 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, so that is the fastest result in the professional VMS in the market right now. And network Optix not only a VMS control the camera, but we also can control some IoT device. For example, we put some soft trigger here, can send the HTTP request to the I/O module and can control the door. Or for example, this one, we can control the barrier, yeah, leave it up or pull it down. Yeah, even you can control the light, turn the light on or turn the light off. Yeah, so with this type of integration, you can easily integrate with the I/O module and control whatever device you want. Yeah. In 5.0, we have the advanced object search feature. It's really convenient for the end user. For example, before, if you want to search one object, like for example, I want to search a man face, yeah, I have to type in the search bar here, and I have to type in English because the result give to the next recording is in English, and I remember. So you have to type like the main face, so all the main face will appear on the right one. But right now, you can choose the advanced object search panel like this, and you can click on the face. Yeah, and I only want to choose the main face. Yeah, so all the other results will be filtered out, and you double click on that, the playback will automatically playback right here. For example, I want to see some license plate recognition. Yeah, but actually this AI on this camera, they only can snapshot the license plate. Yeah. If you want to translate that into the text string, you have to use another AI plugin. For example, I want to search person, man, and I only want to see some guy on the black top clothes. Yeah, and all the result will show up here. Yeah, I just play one by one to see the result I want. So this type of drop down list is really convenient and easy for user to choose, and really intuitive for user. And AI partner, if you have the object detection with more attribute information, you need to integrate with this team level. So every feature here, attribute information can appear right here. So people can choose whatever information they want to file that on the recording. Okay, so also in the 5.0, we have another advanced backup. Yeah, before we can backup whatever recording, but right now you can choose what to backup. For example, like all archive or only backup motion, object, bookmark, or the combination of motion and object, motion and bookmark, or object and bookmark, or combination of three motion, object, and bookmark. Yeah. About the quality part, you can choose all stream or only resolution, low resolution stream. Yeah, and hit OK. Yeah. And if you want to set up something like I want to recording is local for 7 days, but I want to expand backup into the extended storage for 90 days. Yeah, you go to the recording and the keep archiving for. Yeah, automatically it will be click on the auto. Auto means whenever the storage is full, it will be recycled automatically. Yeah, but if you want to set specific date, yeah, so you can unclick the auto and set the maximum day, for example, 90 days. So NS Witness will compare the local storage and the extended storage, which one have more capacity, and it will set the maximum day for that storage. Yeah. So that setting parameter will affect to both local and backup storage. Yeah. That's a really cool feature. So you can set specific day for the backup if you need. Okay, so here are some examples. For the reference case, yeah, one of the biggest project we really proud of is the SpaceX factory. Yeah, this is the advertisement for SpaceX, and in this advertisement, this factory in Texas, USA. Yeah, we can skip until here and see the really familiar UI. Yeah, this is the NS Witness long time ago. Yeah, and after they choose our VMS, they extend the factory to another country, for example, the Tesla factory, yeah, or in Germany, or the Tesla factory in China, Shanghai, China. Yeah, they also choose VMS. And we always have the slogan for this project is the genius deserves the best. Like they choose us. It's also the pride of Nego Optix. Yeah. And here are some projects in APAC region. For example, this is a smart city in Taiwan. Yeah, have done by Andy. It's 4,000 channel for the smart city with a lot of bigger world here. And we have some a lot of cases in Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Yeah. So if you want to have more reference cases in your region, just contact our APAC team. We can share you more because surveillance process. They don't want to public that much, right? So if you want to have more reference case and some design for reference, we can share to you via email or just contact us. And as I said, Nego Optix is always going to become the best friend of AI partner. So here is the AI partner integration. I would like to show you a quick video of Ekoios with the eTheia AI plugin. They integrate with us. Yeah. For more detail, Miss Sally and Mr. Tu will introduce in more detail for you guys in next session. Okay. So now I will pass the host to Miss Sally. Let me.
Thank you. Thanks, Annie. Hello.
Okay, read a little bit.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, NX APAC team, for having us today. Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Can you share the screen right now?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Project Amy just mentioned. Sometimes I always share with the customer like we are the only VMS can fly to the space. So yeah,
Yes.
yeah, fly to the space is cool. Yeah, and by the way, Amy, the project a lot of video work that is from Thailand, Taiwan.
Oh, really? Sorry.
Yes.
I thought it was Chinchu with Taiwan. What
No,
was
no, Thailand.
Chiang Mai, right?
Yeah, Chiang Mai. 40, I guess more than 40 big monitors. Cool, very cool.
Is that okay now?
That's great, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, everyone again. Again, I would like to thank Annie for the introduction, and thank you NX APAC team for collaborating with eTheia, and also for your continued support and for having us today. My name is Sally, Head of Global Accounts at Ekoios Technology. We are a certified partner of Network Optix, and thank you everyone for joining us today for an introduction of our AI-powered video analytics solution named eTheia. So developed by an excellent team of engineers, this product line of ours has been deployed successfully and proven efficient in various product environments. So the name eTheia, including E, which is the abbreviation of engine, and also the first letter of our company name, which is Ekoios. Theia is the name of a Greek god that represents vision. So that's why we came up with this name. Okay. So Ekoios Technology, our company, was officially founded in 2018. We have a team of 200 engineers working in our Hanoi headquarters. 2 other representative offices of ours are based in Tokyo and LA. And what sets us apart from any other development houses in the market is that we put our passion into pursuing high-level technology, and we strongly focused on building the leading and spearheading products in the field. Okay. So as you can see, the biggest challenges for mass security systems that are using human surveillance are very high cost and low accuracy. It's impossible for a human to track and survey multiple areas at the same time, and accuracy heavily depends on the mental and physical conditions of the personnel. So using human surveillance is very likely to lead to delay in detecting and handling emergency as well. To tackle these challenges, AI-powered video analytics solution has been developed and integrated into video management system. eTheia team has been building and currently owns over 20 algorithms in 2 main categories: object detection and human behavior detection. Object detections include vehicles, objects, products in manufacturers, smoke, fire, and etc. Human behavior including fall down, knee down, violence, and intrusion, and so on. These algorithms have great use cases in many industries, especially for security surveillance and transportation management, which I'm going to show you later on for some of the very common use cases that we've been working on. But apart from those existing algorithms, we also have the capability to develop new POC based on specific requests from our clients. Our engineering team can collect data from our client's video management system and develop a POC within 2 weeks. And we currently offer POC for free for the clients to be able to experience our quality and the use of our products. Here on the screen, you can see that our engineering team are using a variety of leading machine learning and AI training technology, as you can see here. Okay. Now, following up is the detailed list of the existing algorithms that are now available for eTheia to offer with a one-time license only. Right? For object detection, we are owning different algorithms that can detect abandoned object, stolen object, and also algorithm for object counting, human counting. For security enhancement, we are now offering detection in intrusion, loitering, line crossing, fire and smoke detection. For human behavior in general, we are currently having ready-made algorithms for emergency, camera tampering, anti-tailgating, violence, accident, fall, kneeling, and waste dumping. Right? We also have a number of great use cases in transportation management in which our algorithms have to detect traffic light violation, wrong way, wrong lane driving, parking violation, non-helmet rider, or phone using drivers. So all of these existing algorithms that we have made ready are now available for 1 month trial, absolutely for free. Okay, so any clients or any partners that want to experience our products can just contact us, and our team will offer you a one-time, a 1 month free license for you to try our products. And the one-time license here includes the cost for integration, for technical instruction, hardware advice, and other technical support as well. So you can see that this is a package. This is quite a comprehensive package. Okay. Applying AI analytic solution into VMS system can bring immense benefits to different businesses and communities, including giving seamless integration with existing VMS system, optimize operation cost. So instead of hiring different personnel for a number of years, and so clients can just pay for only one-time license and get the full package of solutions and technical support. Also, the solution can bring up real-time smart detection, and from there help businesses to come up with accurate decision that help them to have more insights and also more effective sales and marketing campaign as well. So you can see that the benefits for the business that using those solutions are tremendous. Okay, so eTheia has been serving clients worldwide over 12 years. We have deployed our solution into a variety of systems with detection accuracy from 98%. Okay, so a very important point here is that our AI model can ensure that accuracy rate from at least 98%. Also, like I mentioned earlier, lead time for a new POC development is only around 2 weeks, which I believe is quite impressive if compare with other development vendors right now. And also, our solution isn't limited to the quantity of algorithms per device, and also number of device or channels that can be applied in a system. And currently, for increasing of our brand awareness, we offer very competitive pricing if you compare with other international brands. So here you can see that there are many different use cases that eTheia's video analytics solution has been applied, including smart city, public safety, logistics, which is a very demanding and common request for now, manufacturing, retails, airport management, transportation management, and especially in healthcare and education. So here, let me introduce to you some of the most common use case that clients request us for our products or for building new POC. Okay, so for smart city and public safety, a lot of big cities in the world and in the future, many of big cities in Vietnam are looking for AI solution that can replace human being in detecting security problems, managing different transportation vehicles and actions, and also recognize face and public movement. So we currently talk to some clients in Singapore that are asking for a solution that can have airports to track the number of people that are queuing in a line for custom, and also make a calculation of the average time for the custom officer to serve one client, one person, and from there they can give a conclusion of how customer service is and how they can improve the processing time at the airport custom. Okay. In manufacturing, likewise, for quality assurance and quality control, if using human, tracking, then there can be a lot of mistakes that lead to, financial loss. So replacing human being by applying AI algorithms can have manufacturers to detect faults or misfunction products and ensure that the quality of the products are at the highest possible. For example, a coconut manufacturer, which is an FDI company, they export coconut product to a very difficult market, which is US, and they came to us to ask for an algorithm that help to detect and limit the number of workers that are allowed to work in the packaging area, to make sure that only staff members who are allowed to get into the packaging area, and also come up with a dashboard of information, detailed information of who working at what time shift of the day, right? So that is something that very common now. And for retail, same story. A lot of retail brands want to know what is the time that their that shoppers come at their shop, and they want to know the heat map to see shoppers are the most interested in which kind of product that help them to make the decision of what kind of products that they should sell more. So all of our solutions can be developed and applied to make sure that businesses get what they want. Okay. Right. So yeah, for airport and transportation, we have been right in the next few minutes, through our business development manager will show you some demo of some of the algorithms that we apply in transportation by real data. And we can have to detect wrong lane, wrong way vehicles, and also calculating the number and the number of vehicles and what type of vehicles are they. Okay, right. So for any partners that want to collaborate with eTheia, we want to make sure that we have the diversity of service offerings that help us to work with everyone, including SIs, or OEMs, or solution provider. We also guarantee that eTheia team will provide long-term professional support that in which we can accompany all of our partners on every step of the way in the sales process, and also after sales support to ensure that your clients will get the utmost customer satisfaction. Our system can also be seamlessly integrated with a wide range of hardware equipment such as cameras and AI boxes, and we are absolutely open for any opportunities that we can collab with. And our solution can help to advance your product portfolio and your service ecosystem, and from there can help to leverage your offerings as well as help to enhance your user experience. Okay, so after the webinar today, it's my pleasure, it's eTheia's pleasure to have an opportunity to talk with every partner here that want to establish a collaboration with eTheia, and I believe that with the products that we offer, with the competitive pricing that eTheia has, we can have a very fruitful cooperation in the future. So feel free to contact me or Du or eTheia team so that we can schedule a call and discuss our collaboration opportunity in more details. Okay. So now I'd like to introduce Du, our business development manager. He's going to show you a demo of our products on NX. Thank you.
Yeah, let me
Miss,
transfer.
yeah, okay. Thank Miss Sally. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Firstly, I want to say thanks to the NX that allow us to have chance to show our product on this webinar. And here. Okay. Is that
Yes,
okay?
Okay.
this one.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh, today I also prepare some example to show our demo in some algorithm. First of all, I want to introduce us about the eTheia system. It's a server-based system. What we do is only run the eTheia engine, and when it start, you can see an debugger on window on command window running on the window system, and the version that we run the demo today is NX 5.0. Yeah. We also can run on the NX 4.2. Yeah. The first one I want to show you the some setting of eTheia plugin. At the very first beginning, we need to set the address of VA server. In this case, the VA server is the same with the NX server, so we set the local host, mean the 227.0.0.1. Yeah.
If the server is not in the same networking, do you prefer any port to forward any port for this?
Yeah, well, we also run the system. We can separate the VA server and the NX server also by the setting and the installation process we provide to the customer when we provide them the service. Yeah.
Okay, so if the VA server is behind the firewall, right? And what kind of port I need to forward?
Yeah, we also set we can set the inbound rule by setting in the firewall of the Windows system. Yeah.
Okay.
We
So
we access to the we access to the NX server by the port 5000.
Okay.
Yeah. What we do to run this system is we come to the camera setting, and on the window of camera setting we can see the plugin. We active the eTheia plugin by applying the button. Yeah, you can see here this is the interface of eTheia plugin. At this time, we have just integrated about 17 algorithm to the NX system. The first one is intrusion, loitering, smoke, fire, abandoned, stolen, violent, falling down, kneeling down. The SOS mean detect the person who showing the SOS gesture.
Do you mean SOS?
I mean the some person who showing the SOS signal. Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Some other function in the transportation management is illegal parking, stopping vehicle or wrong way, just dumping or wrong lane. Yeah. In the line category, we have two functions: is the line cross and line count. We also choose the object that we want to checking is as default. We have 6 category of object. The first is bus, truck, bicycle, car, pedestrian, and motorcycle. Yeah. Okay. Now we come into the demo section. This is the video for testing the fire algorithm. What we do is to click on the ROI. The ROI means the region of interest. That is the area that we do the detection, the analytic detection. Yeah, we set the polygon ROI. It's maybe 4 point or 5 point or something like that. We can choose the color of the ROI that we want to classify the kind of detection that display on the NX client, and we do okay. Check on the enable to the fire algorithm, and just some you also can setting the sensitivity. This means that this means that how the sensitive the analytic system act with the case of environment. Yeah. Then we apply. You can see now the ROI will display on the NX client, and also we can show the object on the NX clients by check on the show on item and object. You can see after we active the algorithm, just a second, we can see the result that display on the notification. It's also set on the even area of NX interface. You also check the can check the time, the crop of the image crop of the event on the even tab of NX. Yeah. Another one I want to show is about the violence. It is very very necessary for the hospital or for the education environment, something like school or university. Yeah, here I also set the same process with the previous algorithm, enable and choose violence. Okay, here we don't need, because the violence is only detect for the pedestrian. We uncheck other part. Yeah. Okay, after we apply, the ROI will appear on the NI client, and when 2 person or 3 person or someone hit other, the alarm will be displayed on the NX client also. This is the example for wrong lane. This video is recorded in Vietnam highway. Okay, we active the plugin to the wrong lane. We choose the object that we want to checking, because this is the highway. We may restrict the pedestrians, motorcycle and bicycle. So we just check on the bus, truck and car, and we draw and draw that bounding the lane of the highway here. Okay, it's very easy to set the ROI, because we allow the people to set a polygon to the, yeah, okay, enable and apply. Yeah, when one motorcycle or something other yeah. Oh, sorry.
You draw the polygon. You draw the polygon where? Cool.
Okay. In the meantime, waiting for to come back. Sally, I would like to ask about the license package. Yeah, because right now I see a lot of AI plugin, right? Like Ekoios will sell one by one plugin, or will have some combination.
We are very flexible in offering the ready-made features. So either single feature or a combination of different features, we are very flexible in offering clients. And the difference now, like Annie said, we only charge one time only for license. Why? You can see that for many other vendors or suppliers, they will charge clients annually. So I believe that our pricing is very competitive in that aspect.
Oh, so the license is one time only. Can you
One time
forever?
only. Yes,
Okay.
forever.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the license also fixed to the hardware ID, right?
That's right. That's right. So we offer unit price per channel. Okay, so per feature, per channel. And if you want to combine a number of features into one channel, then of course we are open for that, and we're ready to support. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what if the hardware server fail? The hardware server fail, and they want to change that license into the new server. Can you support that?
Yes, of course. We support our customer to change the Mac device free. Yeah.
Also for free. How many times limited? Or you can change customer one.
Immediately after customer requested to change the Mac device ID. Okay, you can see the wrong lane detected when one motorcycle come into the lane, the highway come into the highway. Yeah, you can see here. Okay. Another one function that I want to show to our customer is about the pull down. Yeah.
So I see you have a fold down and knee down. So it's a different behavior right, for you.
Do you want to see the fold down?
No, he means that's the difference. The difference
Oh.
solution.
The difference here is pull down is applied in some case that you can imagine that some patient in the hospital who fall in the floor.
Fall off from the bed.
Yeah.
For example. So
Yeah.
it's like the full collapse of their body into the floor, right? But
about the knee down, is sometimes is the pre-violation. The pre-violation, yeah.
Okay.
I mean that in the school, what some student who find other that force him to knee on force him on the knee. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Because we have some requests that they need to distinguish it's full down or just knee down because the patient may be full down, right? And the medical person come there and then just to help, so they knee down. But maybe it becomes false alert. That people saw it's a full down as well, something like that. So they need to distinguish that. So you have two other reasons, right? One is fold down, one is knee down, right?
Yeah. We about the fold down, we also can allow customer to set the exception rod. It means that you can draw an exception rod like draw bounding the bed or the chair that maybe make the wrong detection or on that case. Yeah.
Okay. I see.
Another one example that I want to show you is how we set an counting system on the highway. Here is the light count function of our eTheia plugin. You can see you also can choose the direction of the counting way. Yeah. You also classify them by the type of vehicle like bus, truck, bicycle, car, motorcycle. Yeah. We enable it. Sorry. Here, when we show the object on this vehicle counting, you can see the vehicle we count and classify into the car, truck, bicycle, or motorcycle.
Cool. We have the dashboard on the live view as well, right?
Yeah. We also customize for our customer to save this data to their database also. Yeah. You can see the body box of the vehicle that show on the NX client is very real time. There is no delay on our system. Yeah, it means that the accuracy will meet the very strict requirement.
So if customer want to add more, for example, like maybe in the car, they want to add more attribute information. Can you develop more?
We also can classify the car into the SUV, the sedan, or some other kind of criteria that like the color of the car, like the brand name of the car,
model, make, color.
Yeah. It depends on the need of the customer. We also do the customize to our customer. Yeah.
How about like tuk-tuk? You know tuk-tuk in Thailand?
Yeah, I know tuk-tuk. Yeah.
Training materials, and he can help.
Yeah, because
Vietnam
we have
also
it
have
in
tuk-tuk.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's because tuk-tuk is very specification, very special case. So I
Yeah.
think it's easy to add the data on our model. Yeah, we just we need around 2 months for collect the data and 3 times for updating the model only. The accuracy will more than 90%. I can guarantee that. Yeah.
Oh. How about the night time?
It's not depend on the day or the light or the night. Yeah, we can do the accuracy, the high accuracy even in the night time. Yeah. Another one is the people counting. This is the video that record in an university. Yeah, we also can customize the criteria of people that go to this entrance. So sorry, but I have something wrong. I can check again. Please wait a little bit.
That's really
Is that? Tắt này.
We don't have this kind of a partner can do both behavior recognition and also counting, right? And
Yeah.
Yes, not you. Yeah, right now cannot combine both.
it's kind of like a duo. Yeah.
As I said, because actually Ekoios famous in Vietnam for AI outsourcing. Yeah, they provide AI to a lot of foreign companies. Yeah. You mean maybe in the world, India is the IoT outsource hub, right? The second position of the world is Vietnam. Yeah, we outsource for Japan, USA. Yeah, Ekoios also have branch office in USA and Japan, right? Shelly?
yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. We start our early days with Japan market first. But in the past few years, we've been expanding rapidly to global markets as well.
And the main business there is to offer the algorithm, is it?
What algorithm?
Pardon me? I cannot hear you.
Yeah, and the main business there is to offer them the algorithm. Amy?
They also offer the AI plugin. The customer just need to install. Yeah. In another
To offer
brand
them
name.
a whole
The whole package.
Qua chạy ngon mà. Bộ vô phương đạo.
And your business model is for both branded product and also OEM partnerships,
cái
right?
video không ổn.
They just had the branding recently, recent months.
cái cái chuẩn trên video ra, hai video mày crop đều bị hết hay sao ấy?
Ông chỉ có một cái chat cái khu ra.
Nhưng cái đấy nó thay đổi, nó sẽ thay đổi phần nào.
Còn cái video của trường em nó vẫn chạy được, vẫn bắt. I think when Drew is doing troubleshooting, we can open the Q&A session as well, right? So any question that you want to ask, you can type in the Q&A section, yeah, and then we can reply right now. Okay.
Đó, chết mẹ server luôn.
It doesn't matter. Actually, you show us a lot of live demo already. So if you have any recording videos or any other materials, you can show right now, or we can just jump into the Q&A session because it's about time.
I have one question too. You can do fire recognition, right? How about the smoke as well?
Yeah.
So smoke and fire for you are different items, or is understanding about fire?
It's different. Yeah, it's different pattern.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
The smoke is apply is not only for the case that we warning the fire. Some case we is not in the forest. We can see the it's not smoke. It is I don't know how to say that one kind of weather even it's not as it's not smoke.
You mean mist, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So mist and smoke, you can distinguish them.
We can distinguish the mist and the smoke. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You know, for a fire alert, before the fire, always smoke first.
Yeah.
So for customer, actually, they care about smoke more than fire. Yeah. They want to detect that first.
But you can see if you see our demo, only very small fire is appear on the screen. We immediately send the warning to the customer. Yeah.
Another question. I don't think it's okay, but what if someone use a lighter, for smoking, right? That one can detect as well? No, right?
It depends on the you imagine that when one person who you I mean that we can make the exception case, because human appear on that case. So if our customer want to make it become an exception case, we can set on our algorithm that
actually they want it. I mean, they want to detect if someone smoke.
Yeah.
Right. So if you can do, even the cigarette smoke can detect, or even the lighter fire can detect. I have some project that they may like it. Near the hospital you cannot smoke, right? So they want to avoid this kind of situation, right? So, but anyway, you say we can do something like a 1 month trial, right? So if the customer have interesting about that, they can contact you and to get a demo, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We have some question. Can you check it?
Oh, let me see on.
Yeah, we have some questions like this too. How to sizing the AI hardware requirement? Yeah. Can you share about the hardware specification?
Our system can run depend on the GPU. We use the RTX series for calculating the and analytic the video. We support from very low series like 1650 RTX. I mean the RTX 1 series to 3 series can adapt the our requirement to run the system. About the capacity, one GPU of RTX 3060 can run around 20 devices in a real side. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You can see my screen. I will show the here is the
yeah. Go ahead.
in this device we use the E7 8700K, and the GPU is RTX 2070 Super. Yeah, this kind of NVIDIA G4 Win can handle around 20 channel. Yeah, with the basic function. I mean the intrusion, loitering, light count, or light cross. It can handle around 20 device. About the advanced function, the one of RTX 2070 can handle around 10 device running on the system. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember there's a question. There was a question about, do you have a brochure or something to introduce your functions and also the hardware spec inside the brochure? Yeah, they may need that.
Yeah, I will prepare some. I will prepare some specification of the system and send to our attendee after this webinar. Yeah.
Cool.
And there is another question, I think. Are you selling white label?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
White label solution.
White label?
Yes, like ODM AI for some partner.
As the Miss Sally said in the introducing part, we are very our pleasure to listen on opportunity from our customer. We also do the OEM for other brand and have them to develop their product also. Yeah.
Cool. So the question, the answer is yes, right? You can, like some partner, you need AI white label solution, just talk directly to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
And another question about the specification for the hardware. Yeah, I think you already answered that, right? The minimum spec for running 4-channel AI.
Minimum running 4-channel can
for 4-channel.
Yeah. For 4-channel is one at the CPU is around E5 Zen 10, and the CPU is the RTX 1 series also.
Okay.
I mean, to 1070 Ti.
Okay. So because we have a lot of AI plugins, so each AI plugin will require different type of specification, right? Or they are all the same?
The different type of algorithm will require a different type of resource that used for analytic process.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
We divide into two kinds. The first one is the normal function. I mean the intrusion lottery, fire, smoke, light count, light cross is the basic function. It's only consume a little bit of resource. The advanced function include the violence, fall down, knee down, or something, some other human behavior is need more resource to analytic the problem. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah. Yeah, really thank you, Ekoios team, for really cool AI. Yeah, and really thank you because you put a lot of effort to do this deep integration with NS. Yeah, so we can show the video like that. So
Thank
after
you,
this webinar, we will sum up the Q&A session, and we will share to all attendees today the PowerPoint introduction of Ekoios and eTheia plugin. Yeah, so keep in touch. Yeah, if you have any question or any other request, I will CC Du and Miss Sally into the email loop. So we just reply that email and contact them directly. Yeah, hope we have a business opportunity in APAC region. Yeah, thank you so much for today.
Thank you so much.
Keep in touch. Yeah, thank you
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Bye. Yeah, see you next
Bye.
time.
Bye.
See you
See
next
you.
time.
See you. See you.